Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from your bank account to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want to top up your wallet for investments, this guide will have you set up in no time. Trust Wallet is a secure app for managing cryptocurrencies, and transferring funds might involve a few steps, but I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app downloaded on your phone. It's available for both iOS and Android, and it's free. Once installed, create or log into your account. You'll need to set up a wallet for the specific cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to the Receive section for the crypto you want to fund. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that down carefully, as it's like your digital bank account number. Step 2. Since you can't directly transfer fiat money, like USD, from your bank to Trust Wallet, you'll need to use a bridge like a crypto exchange or a payment app. For example, use apps like PayPal, Revolut, or directly through your bank's app if they support crypto purchases. Head to a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Binance, link your bank account, and buy the cryptocurrency you want. Step 3. Once you've purchased your crypto on the exchange, withdraw it to your Trust Wallet. Paste the wallet address you copied earlier into the exchange's withdrawal section, double-check everything to avoid errors, and confirm the transaction. Remember, transactions might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network fees and congestion. A quick tip: always be aware of fees. Transfers can incur charges from your bank, the exchange, and the blockchain network. Also, prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your wallet details. By now, you should see your funds in Trust Wallet, ready for trading or staking. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there.